We are at JTech, and we're going to identify the control wires in the circuit, the control wire in the ground, and the reference. So if you have to do work you're on your car right now, I'm gonna show you on this throttle position sensor. So we have 3 wires. We know that one is going to be ground, one is going to be a 5-volt reference, and one is going to be power or a signal. So we have our voltmeter here, and the negative lead I have grounded here to the chassis right there with the strut bolts up, and my positive, and I have it set on volts. My positive is right here, and I'm back probing the sensor. If you can see it, it's kind of dark. So I have it probed in the back, and the last wire in that yellow wire, and the signal wire should move whenever you move the throttle. Throttle. I feel like confident. It's just like sending video. So then we can move it over to the next wire, and we have no volt, 0.02, so we know that's the ground. And I'm gonna back probe the next wire now. Back probe it, and the middle wire, which is the green wire on this connector, we're getting 5 volts, close to 5 volts. So we know that's our 5-volt reference wire in the circuit. The bottom is our power, and the top is our ground, and we identified that just by back probing the circuit to ground, and just observing what the meter does. When you get 5 volts, that's your reference. When you get little to none, that's your ground. And when you get a variation voltage, like if you were to take your meter, you back probe it, and you move the throttle. You move the throttle with your hand, and you will be able to see the meter move up and down. You'll see the voltage, which will tell you that's your signal wire. And that's how you identify your circuits.